Hey friends, Catherine here. I am halfway through the pour on this ornament that I just showed you a couple of days ago, and it's just such a colossal waste, this huge puddle of paint left on my work surface here. So I've pulled this aside for a moment, and what I'm going to do is just grab a smaller bit of paper. I'm gonna have to slice off a piece on my paper cutter real quick. I'm just gonna dip some paper in that and see if I end up with anything interesting. Before I dip the paper in that though, let's see if we can't close up that hole in the center. Go. Something like just bringing it in a little bit with a toothpick ought to do it, I think. Just bringing everything together. We've got this nice lovely drag right across there. I bet we can incorporate that into this if we try, so that it's not quite so odd looking. There we go. Something like that. Awesome. Okay, now I've got this bit of paper and I'm just going to kind of set it on and pat it down out toward the edges, hopefully. And I say this is paper, this is actually cardstock, but paper would work too, I think. Probably. I'm just getting paint all over my hands now. I really should have put on a glove. That's okay. It'll be what it'll be. Just kind of drag it, make sure I get all the edges, and then pick it up. Oh, that's cool. That's interesting looking. I'm gonna have to find a way to dry it flat, and I can probably cut that apart and make some really fun things from it. But that's really interesting looking. Do you see that? Let's grab another bit of paper and do that again. Let's just kind of drop it on and press it out to the edges, all the edges, and oh yes, I love that. That is just so fun and like airy, if that makes sense. It's like all swooshy. I just love that. Anyway, I wanted to stop and show you guys that real quick. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely let me know. I love trying new things. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember to subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!